Hey gang, Poppy here. It's November the 1st. Noon! November the 1st, 2019. I just ordered a 12-volt inverter, and luckily I was actually able to order the bimetal bandsaw blade I've been wanting. I was going to order this month. I was actually able to order it and get the inverter I didn't want or need until PG&E come along and started making love to my life. Well, guess what? I love you too. Would like to return it by giving you anal love with 24-inch chainsaw. Or maybe federal antitrust could do to you what they did to Ma Bell. Chop, chop, chop. Ah, yes. Goodbye.